How to get more FPS in Roblox. Still stuck at 60, 144, or 240 FPS in Roblox even though your PC can push much more? There's a simple setting that can remove Roblox's FPS limit and let your system reach much higher frame rates. I'll show you exactly where to find it and how to change it, so make sure you follow every step because the setting you need is hidden outside of the normal Roblox menu. First, launch Roblox and open any game. Once you're inside the game, open the Roblox settings. Before we change anything, make sure your maximum refresh rate is set to default. Yes, default. That might sound strange if you're trying to get more FPS, but this is important. Just trust the process, because the actual FPS limit is going to be changed somewhere else. Now close Roblox completely. Then press the Windows key on your keyboard and type %localapp. If Windows doesn't show the folder directly, type Run into the Start menu and open the Run application. Inside the Run box, type %localapp and click OK. This will open the local app data folder where Roblox stores some of its configuration files. Now we need to find the Roblox folder. You can scroll down until you find it, or, to get there faster, click inside the folder and press R on your keyboard. Once you find Roblox, open the folder. Inside the Roblox folder, we're looking for a file called Global Basic Settings. To find it faster, click inside the folder and press G on your keyboard. Now look carefully, because there may be more than one similar file. You want the file called Global Basic Settings _13. Do not select the one with Studio in the name. Once you've found the correct file, right-click it. Then select Open With and choose Notepad. You can also right-click the file and select Edit if that option is available. Now, the file may look confusing because it's filled with settings and text. But don't worry, we only need to find one specific setting. On your keyboard, press Ctrl+F. This will open the Find option. Now type frame rate into the search box and press Enter. Look for the setting that controls the frame rate cap. Next to it, you'll see a number. This number is the current FPS limit Roblox is using. For example, mine is set to 240. Now click on the current number. Then replace it with the maximum FPS value you want to use. You can enter a number that matches your monitor, or you can set a much higher value if you want Roblox to use as much FPS as your hardware can produce. For this example, I'm going to change mine to 99.99. Of course, that doesn't mean my PC will actually reach 9,999 FPS. It simply removes the low FPS limit and gives your system the opportunity to go higher than the original cap. Once you've changed the value, click File in the top left corner. Then select Save. Now close Notepad. At this point, launch Roblox again and test your FPS. If you notice that Roblox keeps changing the FPS limit back, there's one more thing you can do. First, right-click the same Global Basic Settings file. Then select Properties. Make sure you're on the General tab. Under Attributes, check the box next to Read Only. Then click Apply and click OK. This prevents the file from being easily changed again by Roblox. Now open Roblox again and go to your settings. Look at the maximum refresh rate option. It may appear as though nothing is selected. That's completely normal. Do not click the option and choose another FPS value, because that can overwrite the setting we just changed. If the setting appears blank or unselected, that means Roblox is no longer displaying the normal FPS cap inside the menu. Now let's test it. Open a Roblox game and check your FPS counter. As you can see, my FPS is now going well above the previous 240 FPS limit. Your actual FPS will depend on your PC, graphics settings, Roblox game, and other hardware limitations. But if your system was previously being held back by the FPS cap, you should now be able to go beyond that limit. If this helped you unlock higher FPS in Roblox, subscribe to the channel. I make simple gaming and PC tutorials that help you get more out of your system without wasting time searching through complicated settings. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.